actually want to look at some multiple choice questions in national income accounting, that is in macroeconomics. This is during the third quarter of 2006, a firm produces consumer goods and adds some of those goods to its inventory. During the fourth quarter of 2006, the firm sells goods at a retail outlet, with the results that the value of its inventory at the end of the fourth quarter is smaller than the value of its inventory at the end of the third quarter. These actions affect which component of fourth quarter GDP? A. These actions affect only consumption, and they affect consumption positively. B. These actions affect only investment, and they affect investment positively. C. These actions affect consumption positively and investment negatively. D. These actions affect both consumption and investment positively. The right answer is C. These actions affect consumption positively and investment negatively. We said that inventory is actually part of investment. And so in the fourth quarter, if the inventory has reduced, it means that investment has actually reduced, and that is the negative effect on investment in the fourth quarter. On the other hand, because they sold these goods to consumers and they've consumed this good in the fourth quarter, consumption for the fourth quarter will actually increase, and that gives you a certain positive effect on consumption in the fourth quarter. Question 7. Consider the following three items of spending by the government. I, the federal government pays a $500 unemployment benefit to an unemployed person. 2, the federal government makes a $2,000 salary payment to a Navy lieutenant. And 3, the city of Bozeman, Montana makes a $10,000 payment to ABC Lighting Company for 3 street lights in Bozeman. Which of these payments contributes directly to government purchases in the national income account? A, only I. B, only items 2 and 3. C, only items 1 and 2. And D, only item 2. The right answer is item 2 and 3. Actually, the central bank paying or the federal government paying $500 unemployment benefit is a form of a transfer payment and therefore does not contribute directly to government purchases. But in the second case, where the central government makes a $2,000 salary payment to a Navy lieutenant, this is a payment that is given to a productive person and can be said to contribute directly to government purchases. So the government is purchasing the services of the Navy lieutenant. And the third one is that government pays this money to ABC Lighting Company to what? Produce street light, which is also a productive venture. And so the scenario 2 and 3 gives you a certain clue about government directly purchasing or government direct purchases in the national income accounting. The citizens of country A earn 500 million of income working abroad. Citizens of other country earn 200 million by working in country A. Both of these earnings are accounted for in country A's GNP, which is larger than GDP in country A. B, GNP, which is smaller than GDP in country A. C, GDP, which is larger than GNP in country A. And D, GDP, which is smaller than GNP in country A. The right answer is GNP, which is larger than GDP in country A. When you look at the composition very soon, very clearly, you could see that the citizens of country A living abroad earn 500 million, whilst the other citizens in country A earn only 200 million. So the net property income from abroad will be 500 minus 200, which is positive, which is 300 million. And when added to GDP, will make the GNP, which is the gross national product, to be larger than GDP in country A. So the right answer is A.